Laura Whitmore has jokingly begged the current batch of Love Island contestants not to ruin her weekend, as she parties up a storm at Glastonbury Festival for her belated hen party. The mum of one tied the knot with Scottish comedian Iain Stirling back in 2020, exchanging vows at Dublin City Hall on November 11 with limited guests watching on due to coronavirus restrictions. But it seems the Love Island presenter is making up for lost time and enjoying what should have been pre-wedding festivities, dubbing her appearance at Glastonbury with her pals her #Glastonbury. Ahead of one of the world's most famous music festival getting into the full swing of things on Friday, Laura has revealed how she's enjoying this year's offering with a glamorous twist, with personalized wristbands, a swanky helicopter arrival and a sweet tribute to the ITV2 show she presents, Love Island. The TV host, 37, arrived at Worthy Farm on Thursday after the gates to the iconic festival were opened for another year the day before, with acts such as Billie Eilish, Sam Fender, Diana Ross, and Kendrick Lamar set to storm the iconic Pyramid stage. Laura previously took to her Instagram stories to share a look into her past wild Glastonbury experiences, as she shared what appeared to be a throwback of herself partying with former One Direction singer, Niall Horan at the festival in the past. The music-loving star looked the part in a sequined silver playsuit and festival-chic fedora hat as she posed in snaps alongside singer Neil, 28, and other pals. "It's been a while. 3 years in fact. Time to go back to that magical place," Laura captioned the snap to her followers on Instagram on Wednesday. "Can all the islanders please behave for the next 2 days so I don't get a call," she jokingly added. On Thursday, Laura revealed this year's stay at Worthy Farm would be extra special as she finally gets to have a hen party, almost 2 years on from becoming a married woman. "3 years later. I bloody love you at Only Alessandro #Glastonbury," the star captioned a snap of herself rocking a personalized wristband celebrating her bridal party plans. The mum of one then went on to reveal that she and her friends didn't slum it on a coach or a bus to enter the famous festival, instead flying in via helicopter in true celebrity style. Laura, who wore a diamante-encrusted military-style bride hat for the journey, shared her views from high in the sky with her 1.5 million followers as she made her way to the music festival. Ahead of touching down and setting up camp, Laura also gave her fans a glimpse of her first festival looks for the next few days. With the help of the main style, the Irish presenter is rocking some cool hair accessories in between her long blonde waves, including a cute tribute to Love Island and its popular catchphrases. The safety pin bead chains placed in the star's hair include phrases like "my type" on paper and "coupled up," all vernacular spoken in the famous Spanish villa. Laura's braids also included the mantra "be kind," a phrase that inspired a movement following the death of the star's Love Island predecessor Caroline Flack in February 2020. Festival hair. VD safety pin braids handmade by at the Mana Style Glastonbury. I'm coming for ya. #Kraken #festival hair. Laura proudly captioned a snap of herself modeled her new hairstyle on Thursday morning. The star's Glastonbury hen party comes over 2 years on from Love Island voice-over Iain popping the question as they filmed the first winter series of the show together in January 2020. At the time, Laura was covering presenting duties for original Love Island host Caroline, who had stepped back from the show due to personal issues. The pair went on to marry at Dublin City Hall in November of the same year, where they are said to have had 25 guests, the maximum number allowed due to Ireland's lockdown restrictions at the time. Laura and Iain became parents for the first time in March 2021, sharing snaps of their daughter Stevie to social media to announce her arrival. Web celebs at mirror.co.uk or call us direct at 0207 29 33 033.